In this series of videos, let's solve some impossible questions that your math teacher may or may not know the solutions to. Part 3. You must have observed that when we multiply any number with 0, we get 0. At the same time, when we raise any number to the power of 0, we get 1. But have you ever wondered why any number raised to the power 0 equals 1? Why can't it be 0? To understand why, let's start with the concept of multiplication. When you multiply the number 4 with 5, we get 20. It is also said as 4 times 5 equals 20. It means that we write the number 5 for 4 times and we add them together. 5 plus 5 say 10, 10 plus 5 say 15, 15 plus 5 say 20. Similarly, when you multiply the number 5 with 4, you get 20. That is, 5 times 4 equals 20. So we write the number 4 for 5 times. 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 4 is 12, 12 plus 4 is 16, 16 plus 4 is 20. So would you call this a coincidence? No, it's actually called as commutative property of multiplication. That is, when we do 4 times 5 equals 20, then the numbers 4 and 5 can commute from one side of the multiplication sign to another. So now, if we multiply the number 4 with 0, we get a 0. That is 4 times 0. So we write 0 for 4 times, and if we add them, we definitely get a 0. And because of this commutative property, we can also say that 0 times 4 equals 0. So now let's look at exponents. When we have 2 to the power 4, it means 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 for 4 times. 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, and 8 times 2 is 16. So now if we take 2 power 1 times 2 power 3, then we can write it as 2 times of 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4, and 4 times 2 is 8. And so 2 times 8 is 16. But have you observed we got the same answer in both cases? That is, 2 power 4 is the same as 2 power 1 times 2 power 3, which can also be written as 2 power 1 plus 3. 3 square equals 3 times 3 equals 9. 3 power 4 divided by 3 square equals 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 divided by 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9, 9 times 3 is 27, 27 times 3 is 81 divided by 3 times 3 is 9 equals 81 divided by 9 equals to 9. Have you observed that we got the same answer in both cases? That is, we can write 3 power 2 as 3 power 4 divided by 3 power 2 equals 3 power 4 minus 2. So now we've established that 4 power 3 times 4 power 2 equals 4 power 3 plus 2, and 4 power 3 divided by 4 power 2 equals 4 power 3 minus 2. So if we take 4 power 0, it can be written as 4 power 1 minus 1, or 4 power 2 minus 2, or 4 power 3 minus 3, 4 power 4 minus 4, and so on. 4 power 1 minus 1 is 4 power 1 divided by 4 power 1. 4 power 2 minus 2 is 4 power 2 divided by 4 power 2. 4 power 3 minus 3 is 4 power 3 divided by 4 power 3. And 4 power 4 minus 4 is 4 power 4 divided by 4 power 4. And so 4 divided by 4 is 1, and 16 divided by 16 is 1, 64 divided by 64 is 1, and 256 divided by 256 is 1. And hence we can apply the same logic to any number. Any number raised to the power 0 can be written as the number power 1 minus 1 is equal to the number divided by the same number, which always ends up giving you 1. Next week, let's discuss about why we do parentheses first, then exponents, then multiplication, then division, then addition, and then subtraction. If you liked this video, then click the like button down below. If you have any comments, you may leave them in the comment section. And if you want such videos every week, you can go ahead and subscribe to our channel. You can also share the channel with your friends on Facebook, Twitter, Google+, and if you have any queries, you can send us via the email. You can sign up for demo classes on STEM-based learning on our website www.98percentile.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week with another interesting question.